All right, I just came from reacting to the song Maniac by the K-pop group Viviz, and I loved it so much. I wanted to listen to a live version of the song. Like I said in the previous video, I don't know nothing about this group, right? I didn't want to spoil my initial impressions before watching their MV. So now I'm just going to go ahead and search a little bit what the group is about. And then we're going to pull up a live version of the song. Right, so looks like Viviz. Oh, so they've been active from 2021. So they've been active for about 4 years now, 3 years. So Viviz is a South Korean girl group formed by BPN Entertainment. The group consists of former G-Friend members Yuna, Sinbi, and Umji. Why does the name G-Friend sound familiar? Didn't there used to be, I don't know, did they do something with Big Hit at some point? Because I just remember when I saw the name G-Friend, I just remembered the lineup somewhere on YouTube when they did rebranding. G-Friend was part of that list. But then again, I don't really follow a lot of other groups besides my main group that I stand. But let me know. So were they part of G-Friend and then just rebranded and went to a new entertainment group called Viviz? Called Viviz. Oh yeah, okay. And their names are Umji, Yuna, and Sinbi. So Umji was the one that I mentioned that doesn't have again, I'm trying to be sensitive here. I don't think she has that typical Korean look. Maybe I'm mistaken, but Yuna and Sinbi definitely Korean for sure. If I'm wrong, let me know nicely, please. But that's pretty much, I don't want to go deeper because the internet can just be crazy with a lot of information. So I'd rather, if you're a stan of the group, let me know what the group is about, when they started. I'm curious about the whole transition from when they were G-Friend to Viviz and how the whole Big Hit thing came into play. Yeah, so let's go ahead and listen to the live version of Maniac. I really like live versions just because you can hear the instruments a lot better, and it's also a way for me to listen to their voices, so I found this Maniac band live concert, K-pop live music show. I was looking for something like Killing Voice, but I figured out, you know what, maybe it's too soon for Killing Voice. So let me kind of get used to this song and how they sound, and maybe down the road we can react to more videos and get to know them. But
둘, 셋. 안녕하세요, 비비지입니다.
You're so cute.
네, 비비지가 9개월 만에 매니악으로 컴백을 했습니다. 아, 네, 저희가 러브에이드 활동 이후에 이렇게.
So I'm guessing this was a comeback single, and they took a break for 9 months. A lot of K-pop groups come out with music in such a short time frame. Western artists take 3-4 years, take a break and come back, and they just non-stop producing music and shows and talent. It's a crazy industry out there.
두 번째로 이츠 라이브에 또 오랜만에 오게 됐는데요. 또 오랜만에 오니까 너무 감회가 새롭고 또 마음이 두근두근 거리고 굉장히 즐겁습니다. 네, 저희가 준비하면서 이 매니악이라는 노래를 정말 좋아하게 됐는데요. 이 매니악을 또 이츠 라이브에서만 만나실 수 있는 밴드 라이브로 들으실 수 있는데 열심히 준비했으니까 예쁘게 봐주세요. 매니악. Maniac.
I mean, that's a good introduction. She's like, this is what you're here for. So let's do this, girls. I'm ready.
힘껏 내팽개치 roses 말론 안 통하지 역시 어쩜 일이야.
Wait, hold on. I'd like to see their names while they're singing. So this is Sinbi. I'm looking at the picture of them on the right side. That's Cindy singing right now, I hope.
안 변해 인정 같은 소린 됐고 이쯤에서 끝내려고 있는 심도 out of space.
And this is Yuna. Okay. The other member is Umji. What is that sound? It sounds like somebody's hitting some instrument. Let me see. Oh, the drums.
This love is maniac, 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 but I can't killing it, killing it, killing it. 사랑 말고 다른 말로 설명할 수 없는 멜로. It's maniac, maniac, maniac.
Okay, I even completely forgot that they're singing live. This was amazing so far. It sounds exactly like the MV. Like they sound really, really good. I love the voice. Okay, I mean, I hate doing this so early, but I really like the timbre of her voice. I just really like how her voice sounds. They all sound great, by the way, but I just like the way her singing voice comes across to me in this song. Don't want to be judged and say, oh, this person has the best voice. I already know that in music, like different songs sound differently with your tone, but I really love the tone of her voice and how she sings this song so far. So cute. I love those drums. They're going. I don't know if you guys can hear them. It goes. It's like, you know, it really gives the song a lot of body.
This love is maniac, 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 but I can't killing it, killing it, killing it. 사랑 말고 다른 말로 설명할 수 없는 말로. It's maniac, maniac. 크리스탈처럼 조각난 light. 내 아래서 레벨이 넘어오면 love it through, love it through. 지지겨져 물든 lust 결국 벗어 던진 mask. 나를 우쭈와 나도. This love is maniac.
Oh, that run was good. I want to hear that again. I even forgot to find out who is like the main singer, main dancer stuff. Hold on. Because after that run, she sounds to me like she's the main vocalist here. Sinbi, main dancer. Okay, so I was kind of correct. Sinbi was the main dancer. Umji is the lead dancer, vocalist, and Maknae. Ah, okay. And where is the other member? Yuna. So I was correct. Yuna is the main vocalist. You can definitely tell. They sound great, but though that you can tell that she's definitely where she needs to be.
This love is maniac, 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 and I'm okay with it, can't with it, can't with it. 끝내놓아 내버려둬도 이해할 수 없는 멜로. It's maniac, maniac, maniac.
Oh, now I can hear a lot more of her runs in this live version, because in the original I could hear it, but I don't know if it was just like, fluffed up, but I can tell now when she goes Maniac and she's like singing behind. So cute. I love it. This was really great. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Leave a comment down below what you guys would like me to react to next. But before you go, don't forget to let me know how they became Viviz and the transition from G-Friend, where they a larger girl group and then just disbanded. Then the new entertainment group picked out 3 girls and you just created this group. All right, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.